Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically delete files from your downloads folder using a built-in Windows feature. And now let's get started. To begin, we will utilize a Windows feature called Storage Sense. You can find this by typing Storage Sense into the Windows search bar. Once you locate it, click on the Storage Sense option to open its settings page. Within the Storage Sense settings, you will see several options. Look for the section related to temporary files, and specifically, you will find an option that says Delete Files in my Downloads folder. By default, this is often set to Never. To enable automatic deletion, change this setting from Never to a specific duration. You can choose how often you want Windows to check for and delete these files, for example every day, every week, or every month. This allows you to manage your download folder space without manual intervention. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.